Mirror cabinets are an important part of bathroom, and their unique functionality and practicality make them an ideal choice for every modern home. Whether it is to add storage space, provide lighting, or to make the reflection of the space, mirror cabinets play an integral role in the bathroom. Mirror cabinets combine the functions of mirrors and shelving, providing the ideal space to store personal care items and other essentials in the bathroom. Mirror cabinet allows to easily organize and store items. Mirror cabinets are equipped with built-in lighting that effectively illuminates the bathroom. This interior lighting not only provides ample illumination, so you can see your face and body clearly, but also creates a unique ambience that makes the bathroom more welcoming and comfortable. Mirror cabinets can increase the sense of space in your bathroom through reflection. While you are using the mirror, it will also reflect the surrounding area, making the bathroom look more spacious and bright. Mirror cabinets can be used to enhance overall design style. The design and arrangement of mirror cabinets add personality and character to a bathroom, making it the focal point of the bathroom decor. Whether for practicality or aesthetics, choosing to use mirror cabinets is always a wise choice. Follow us and get more details.